Hello and welcome. My name is Alex, and this is your English practice for today. In this episode, you will hear 100 sentences. Simple sentences. Sentences you can use every single day. I will speak slowly and clearly. After each sentence, I will pause. That pause is for you. You will repeat after me. This is called shadowing, and it is one of the best ways to improve your English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. What is your name? My name is Alex. Where are you from? I am from Japan. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Do you speak English? I am learning English. See you later. Great job. Those are your greeting sentences. Let's keep going. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth every morning. I take a shower. I get dressed quickly. I eat breakfast at home. I drink coffee every morning. I check my phone. I leave the house at 8. I walk to the bus stop. I take the bus to work. I arrive at the office at 9. I start work right away. I check my emails first. I have a meeting in the morning. I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. You are doing very well. 30 sentences. Keep repeating after me. Your speaking is getting better. I am happy today. I feel tired. I am a little nervous. I feel excited. I am not feeling well. I am bored. I feel confident. No, I am worried about tomorrow. I feel calm and relaxed. I am so hungry right now. I feel thirsty. I am very busy today. I feel proud of myself. I am a little confused. I feel much better now. 45 sentences. You are halfway there. This is great practice. Let's continue. Can you help me, please? I don't understand. Can you say that again? Please speak more slowly. How much does this cost? That is too expensive. Do you have a smaller size? I would like to buy this. Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash? Where is the nearest supermarket? I need to buy some food. I am looking for the exit. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Thank you for your help. 60 sentences done. You are doing an amazing job. Stay with me. Only 40 more to go. I have a lot of work today. The meeting starts at 10. I need to finish this report. Can you send me the file? I will call you back later. I am on my lunch break. I have a question for you. I did not understand the lesson. Can you explain that again? I studied for the test. I passed the exam. I failed, but I will try again. My teacher is very helpful. I like studying English. I practice English every day. 75 sentences. You are almost there. Keep going. You can do it. I like watching movies. I enjoy listening to music. I go for a walk every evening. I read books before bed. I cook dinner at home. I play football on weekends. I spend time with my family. I take photos when I travel. I love trying new food. I relax on Sunday mornings. I watch English videos online. I listen to English podcasts. I write in my journal every night. I call my friends on weekends. I always look forward to Friday. 90 sentences. Only 10 more. Let's finish strong. I believe in myself. I never give up. Every day I get a little better. I make mistakes, and that is okay. I am proud of my progress. Learning English is worth it. I speak English with confidence. I understand more every day. I will keep practicing. I can speak English fluently. 100 sentences. You did it. How do you feel? A little tired? That is normal. That means your brain is working. Now, here is your homework. Come back to this video tomorrow. Listen again. Repeat again. Each time it will feel easier. Each time your English will improve. If this video helped you, please subscribe to this channel. Every week, I share new English practice. Slow, clear, simple. Thank you for practicing with me today. I will see you in the next episode. Keep going. You are doing great.